seatbelt signs are illuminated. Infants younger than 2 years are required to occupy an adult's lap. On Fly Sapphire, we allow you to use your handheld electronic devices in flight mode. Please switch them to flight mode now for the duration of our flight. All laptops and notebooks must be stowed away safely for taxi, takeoff, approach, and landing. Should any announcement be made regarding portable electronic devices, please follow these instructions immediately. For the comfort of all on board, we suggest that you use headphones when listening to music or watching movies during the flight. Thank you for your attention, and we wish you a great flight.